guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got my first order on DoorDash. It was like $6.50 for 2 something miles at McDonald's. I just pulled in. Yes, right there. I got the goods. Leave by front door on bench, please. Thank you. It is 8:50 in the morning. It's Friday. I'm trying to, you know, get back at it. If you've seen my last video, I've been struggling with some health issues, and it's been like rougher than I was expecting. So we're taking it easy. Taking it one order at a time, and yeah, I got both. I'm gonna be doing both apps. I don't know, maybe till lunch, maybe a couple orders, who knows, depends how I feel. So far I feel great. I have not had caffeine in like 4 days. I'm finally over the caffeine headache. I did have some coffee 2 days ago because the headache from the withdrawals was so bad, but ever since then I've been completely fine. And I have a huge ice water. I have a Propel. I'm going to stay very hydrated, you know, just out here doing my thing, making some money, but also, you know, staying healthy. And surprisingly, I woke up in the best mood with a lot of energy, so I was eager to come out here and get this going. So I'm gonna deliver my first order, and hopefully we have a good smooth day. Oh my god, it's so bumpy. And it stayed at the $6.50 with a $4 tip. Already running into an issue. DoorDash kicked me off because I was only able to dash for like the 30 minutes. And now I can't dash until like 11. I keep trying to come back because sometimes like Dash Now will pop up. So I'm waiting on that, and Uber Eats is not sending me anything. Normally I'll schedule like the early lunch rush and a dinner, and then when the day comes I decide which one works with my schedule. I just came out here winging it today, and obviously we're gonna be chilling for a little bit. See, $3 for 7 miles. Like, Uber's not sending me anything good. I can't take any of these. All right, 2 seconds later, $5, 2.1 miles. We're gonna do it. I got the goods. I did have to wait a few minutes, so I just used the bathroom, and then it was ready. 2 miles away. All right, I take it as they actually meant for me to leave it at the door, because one, the door was locked, and I could see in the window, and they're like doing stuff like with medical machines. So I left it at the door. I see him coming out. All right, sweet. He came out and got it. And I'm able to dash now for the next hour at least. So we're gonna go with it. $5.91 for not even a mile. It's going to, we're gonna find out. 7, and it's already there. Dang, I love this McDonald's. Of course it was already ready. At this location they are always ready. This needs a pin. It is a business. I got the name. Meet at door, obviously, because I need a pin. She like met me at the door. Already was saying the code. Restaurants like McDonald's have a smaller radius because there are so many McDonald's. There's another one a couple miles up the street. Compared to restaurants like Chili's or Wingstop, like those are gonna have bigger radiuses. So if you can find a good like McDonald's, I mean, I know a lot of y'all don't like picking up at McDonald's. I mean, there's one, well, there's actually two now that I dislike, but this one, y'all see, it is so good. So if I could just keep getting, you know, good tipped orders, the miles I know are gonna be low, and the service is already great. So if, you know, so that's why I keep coming back to this McDonald's. DoorDash is $6.50. So we're about $17 in the first hour. I'm at the hour mark right now, which isn't bad. I mean, it's been good. I did 3 short orders in an hour. All right, we're doing good. I wasn't gonna stress about it, but I'm happy about it. Okay, Einstein Bagels, $13, 5 miles. It is 2 orders. Let's see where they're going. One is a house. All right, hurry, hurry, hurry. And wait, it looks, I don't know. I can't tell. Einstein Bagels is literally right here on this corner. It is 2 separate pickups. That's why I saw the extra little square, but I was running out of time and I couldn't see it. So we're going to pick up one from Einstein Bagels, and the second one, who knows? This one, but it has a drink. Okay. Alright, thank you. I feel like most of the pay is going to be on the next order. Let's see where it is.
Keck's Breakfast Cafe.
Kiki's Breakfast Cafe. The only bad thing about Kiki's is the parking. All right, I found a spot as soon as somebody was pulling out. I pulled in. Let's hope this order is ready.
How many, hon?
I'm picking up for Uber.
Okay, just right over there.
Okay.
How many, sweetheart?
I'm getting hungry. All right, we are back. I ran into Aldi because, you know, DoorDash wasn't letting me on. Uber wasn't sending me anything good. I got some cucumbers for my water, some cucumber water when I get home. And there was an old guy, and he was like, he was trying to tie his shoe. He was having the hardest time. So I was like, hey, let me tie your shoe. And he was so happy about it. Like, just let me tie your shoe. All right, I finally got another order at Belay. It's for $7.50. It has drinks, Mindy. All right, this is leave at door. Looks good. I got the goods, the drinks, and the food is in the bag. Obviously, where else would it be? She came out and grabbed it right before I put it on the ground. Stayed at $7.50. All right, it's a couple hours later. I'm in the car line now, and I just really remembered I didn't end the video. In total, between both apps, I made $38.47, which is pretty good. Normally, my goal is $50 a day on top of other jobs that I do, and I was just trying to take it easy today and get back in the swing of things. I feel like all these orders were good to me. If you're new here, I want to let you know about the Solo app, which you can link with any of your gig apps, all of your gig apps. It helps you calculate your net income. It helps track your miles, whether you do it automatically or manually, where you turn it on and off before and after your shift. There's also a subscription they offer with guaranteed earnings. So when you schedule hours through the Solo app that you're going to be working on your your other delivery apps, they'll guarantee a certain amount. I'll leave more information in the description box. And if you sign up with my link and link a gig account and your PayPal or your Venmo, and that will automatically give you $10 the following Tuesday as a little bonus for testing out the Solo app. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know below if you want to see me do anything else, and I will see you guys in my next video.